It's Master's time.
The 3B Kids of Texas!
First up, we're gonna make fruit kebabs. Instead of skewers, we're using red golf tees. Start with 2 blueberries and then a strawberry and finish off with a grape. We love our blueberries, so we're gonna add a little in the middle of the plate.
Next up, fresh mozzarella and cherry tomatoes. Take 2 mozzarella balls, a cherry tomato, and then finish it off with another mozzarella ball. Mozzarella. Mozzarella.
Now we're ready to serve. Next on the menu, dessert parfaits in fancy master's glasses. We've made some fresh chocolate pudding. We'll add some marshmallow cream and make a s'mores parfait. Once that last layer of chocolate pudding has been put on there, we can add the toppings. Those toppings are graham crackers, chocolate chips, and marshmallows. Perfection. Now it's time for our lunch picnic, complete with egg salad sandwiches, pimento cheese sandwiches, chicken salad sandwiches, and PB&J for the kids.
It feels like it's missing something.
Ooh, I know, the azaleas. You need some lemonade and grenadine for this simple recipe. Now we're ready. Those parfaits were scrumdiddlyumptious.
Fairways and greens.
Stay tuned. Easter's right around the corner. We can't wait to show you our tablescapes.